Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
All right, what have we here?
stand in your
These
way.
are capers. Capers? Mike Foster here. This is an episode of Why Eat. These are Why Eat capers. First of all, what is a caper? Well, a caper comes from the caper bush, and I have to look at this, which is in Latin is called the Caperus spinosa. The Caperus spinosa. They kind of grow like a flower, and before the flower blooms, they have these little, I guess you'd call it a bud. Yeah, and you pick these buds, but they're very hard and bitter. So what they do is they soak them with salt for a long time, and then it really softens it up. Seriously, you can actually tolerate the taste. They're not bitter. To me, they're unique. It's got a sour, sweet, very earthy taste. You have to have a certain warm climate. Italy is a place, Monaco is a place, so it's very Mediterranean, and it's a staple on the diet. I just made a beautiful chicken dish with capers that I'm going to share with you guys later. But why should you eat these guys? Believe it or not, for a small little baby like this, they're packed with some nutritional value, like antioxidants, polyphenols, which are heart healthy, which help fight cancer. What else? They're high in vitamin K, copper, iron. And what is that good for? Good for your bones, good for your skin, helps fight cancer because it's got antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. These babies are great for you. What else does it have? Capers also high in protein. They got omegas, fiber, low cal. Now they'll help you lose weight. But if you have a sodium-restricted diet, watch out, because since they soak them in salt to get them where they need to be, they do have some sodium. But they have a lot of other great stuff. They can help you fight diabetes, and they're good for digestion. They're actually good when you eat capers and you mix them with meats. They help you digest better, and they help kind of break down the meat and the proteins so that it digests better, and it's better for you in the long run. So capers, I'm eating them like this, plain. They're great. But they're really great with chicken dishes. Watch out for this chicken dish that I got coming out. It's gorgeous. But they're very healthy for you. So, for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel by the same name. And get out there and try different things and eat healthy. And keep living Life 365 until next time. Eat your capers. Peace.
Live life 365.
Good for your bones. It's good for your skins. Thought I had that in there.